Students, this is Haimawati, your math teacher of Kakatiya High School. Students, in last class we studied about ratios and proportions. Today we will see problems on this topic. Question. Satya's mother bought 4 kg pulses and 50 gram chili powder. Find the ratio of weights of pulses to chili powder and the ratio of weights of the chili powder to pulses. Here we have to find two questions. First, chili powder to pulses to chili powder, and second one, chili powder to pulses. We have to find two questions. Okay, now given solution. So what is given here? Given Satya's mother bought 4 kg pulses. Weight of pulses is equal to 4 kg. Next, she bought chili powder 50 grams. Weight of chili powder is equal to 50 grams. Okay, now question, find the ratio of weights of pulses to chili powder. Here, weights of pulses to chili powder. Here, first pulses given here, so we have to take first pulses. Next to chili powder. Okay, but we cannot find the ratio because ratio definition is, ratio is an ordered comparison of two quantities, but two same units also. But here kgs is given, here grams given. So we have to convert kg into grams. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, then 4 kg is equal to 4000 grams. Instead of 4 kg, we have to take 4000 grams. Now first question, the ratio of, first answer, the ratio of weights of pulses to chili powder. Pulses to chili powder. Okay, now pulses 4000 grams to chili powder 50 grams. Okay, now 50 ones are 50, 58s are 400. Okay, now 10 left now, right, means 58s are 80s are 4000, 50 ones are 50, 58 is a 4000. Now in that second question, the ratio of chili powder to pulses. Second answer, the ratio of chili powder to pulses. Okay, now first chili powder means 50 grams is to 4000 grams. Again same cancellation, 51 is 50, 58 is 4000 grams. Okay, like this. Weight of Abraham is 20 kg and his father weight is 60 kg. Find the ratio of weight of Abraham and his father. Express it in the simplest form. Okay, now solution. What is given first? Weight of Abraham. Weight of Abraham is equal to 20 kg. Next, weight of his father. Weight of his father, or else we can write weight of father is equal to how much? 60 kg. Now what we have to find? find the ratio of weight of Abraham and his father. First, we have to write Abraham. The ratio of first Abraham. Weight of Abraham and his father. Okay, first Abraham weight. Abraham weight is equal to 20 kg is to 60 kg. Okay, after getting answer, what you have to do? Express it in the simplest form. Okay, is this simplest form? No. So we have to take cancellation. 21 is 20, 23 is 60. Now answer is 1 is to 3. Okay, we say that this is simplest form because here this and this has only 1 is the common factor. So we say that it is simplest form. This is the answer. A sum of rupees 1,60,000 is divided in the ratio of 3:5. What is the smaller share? Here some amount is given 1,60,000. That amount is divided in the ratio 3:5. Okay, means the amount is divided in two parts. So in the two parts, what is the smaller share we have to find. Okay, now solution given. Okay, what is given here? Amount. Amount or sum. Amount is equal to rupees 1,60,000. Okay, next what? The amount is divided in the ratio of 3:5. The amount is divided in the ratio is equal to 3:5. Okay, for this we have to find sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is equal to, so what is the ratio here? 3:5. We have to do sum. Sum means plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, now only we have to find smaller ratio, na? Smaller share we have to find. Okay, means smaller share is equal to, okay, total amount 1,60,000 by 8, sum of the ratio. So in this, what is the smaller share? 3. Okay, into 3. Now cancellation. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, remaining 4 zeros. Okay, now what is remain? 1, 2, 20,000 into 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6. How many zeros? 4. Okay, means the amount is 60,000. Means the 1,60,000 in that smaller share. If the amount is divided in the ratio 3:5, that smaller share is 60,000. Like this we have to find. Fourth question. Madhu buys 5 kg of potatoes at the market. If the cost of 2 kg is rupees 36, how much will Madhu pay? Now in the question, what is given? 2 kg. The cost of 2 kg potatoes is equal to 36 rupees. Okay, then we have to find the cost of 5 kg. Okay, now solution given. What is given? The cost of 2 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 36. Okay, but we don't know here the cost of 5 kg potatoes. We have to find that only now. We have to assume 5 kg potatoes is equal to X rupees. Let the cost of 5 kg potatoes is equal to rupees X. Here for this question we have to do by using unitary method also, by using proportion method also. First I will say by using proportion method, direct to proportion. Here you observe the quantity is increased, rate also increase. The quantity is the weight or the quantity is decreased, the rate also decrease. Here the 2 kg potatoes is 36 rupees means 5 kg means the cost will be increased. So it is in direct proportion. So we have to use here direct proportion formula. Now here 2 kg potatoes. 2 kg potatoes how many rupees? 36 rupees. Now we have to find 5 kg potatoes. Okay, 5 kg means x rupees. Now it is in direct proportion. Means what? Product of extremes, product of means. So here these two are called extremes, these two are called means. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Means 2 into x is equal to 36 into 5. Okay, now transpose here 2 because we know that variables one side, constants one side. Okay, multiplication becomes division. 36 into 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 18s are 36. X is equal to 18 into 5 means 18 5s are 90. Okay, means the cost of 5 kg potatoes is equal to 90 rupees. Okay, rupees 90. The cost of 5 kg potatoes. 5 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 90. Or else we can find like this also. 2 kg potatoes and 5 kg potatoes. We are writing quantities one side, rate other side. Okay, 36 rupees because first we written here 2 kg na. So we have to write 36 first. Next 5 kg. 5 kg x. Now again product of extremes, product of means. That is 2 into x is equal to 5 into 36. Okay, now 5 into 36 by 2. 2 ones are 2 18s are. 18 5s are 90. Okay, x is equal to rupees 90. If you find like this, we have to find in unitary method. In unitary method, we have to find first the cost of 1 unit. Next, we have to find the cost of number of units. Now, we are given 2 kg potatoes is equal to cost of rupees 36. Now, we have to find the cost of 1 kg potatoes. 1 kg potatoes is equal to 36 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 18s are. Okay, 1 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 18. Now, we have to find 5 kg potatoes cost. Now, 5 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 18 into 5 means rupees 90. Now, the cost of 5 kg potatoes is equal to 90. In 3 methods, we got same answer. Like this, we have to find. Next problem. Fifth question is, in school X, 48 students appeared for 10th class exam, out of which 36 students passed. In other school Y, 30 students appeared and 24 students passed. If the district educational officer wants to give an award on the basis of pass percentage, to which school will be give the award? The question is, two schools are there, X school and Y school. Okay, school X and school Y. Okay, in two schools, they are writing 10th class exams. Here in the schools X, total number of students 48. Okay, total students means they written 48 students, they written 10th class exam. Total students is equal to 48. In school Y, total students is equal to 30. Okay, here 48 students are written, here 30 students are written. Here in the school X, how many students are passed? 36. Passed students is equal to 36. Here passed is equal to 24. Okay, here fail 12. Here 6. No need of finding because here the question is only we have to find the pass percentage. We have to find the pass percentage. Then pass percentage, pass percentage of school X is equal to passed students by total number of students into 100. Okay, cancellation. 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. Okay, again we can cancel here. 4 1s are 4, 4, 25s are 100. Okay, 3 into 25, 25 3s are 75. 75 percentage got in school X. Now in school Y, pass percentage is equal to passed students by total number of students into 100. Okay, now cancellation. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 20s are 100. Okay, now 4 into 20 is equal to 24s are 80 percentage. Okay, like this we have to find. In school X, 75 percentage pass percentage. In school Y, 80 percentage got. Now DEO means District Educational Officer give the award to school Y. Okay, like this we have to find. What is the ratio of 100 and 10? Second question. A milkman adds 250 ml of water to 1 liter of milk. Find the ratio of water to milk. Here 250 ml of water and 1 liter of milk. So the ratio is water to milk. We cannot compare here because here ratios are units are different. Here milliliters, here liters. So we have to convert the liters into milliliters. Afterwards you have to compare. First water, next milk. Next third question. Imran bought 2 liters of oil and Vijay bought 500 ml of oil. Find the ratio of quantities of oil bought by Imran to oil bought by Vijay. Here also same 2 liters and 500 ml. So here units are different. So liters convert it into milliliters. Afterwards you have to find the ratio of Imran to Vijay. First you have to take quantity of Imran, next Imran oil, next quantity of Imran bought by the oil, Vijay bought by the oil. Next fourth question. Sushma has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeters representing 18 kilometers. She drives on a road for 72 kilometers. What would be her distance covered in the map? So she drives for 1 centimeter. She represented in 1 centimeters 18 kilometers on the road map. Okay, if she want to represent 72 kilometers she drives, then how many centimeters she will drive on, she will represent on the road map. Okay, once again I will explain. If she represent 1 centimeter on the road map is equal to 18 kilometers. If she drives 72 kilometers, then how many centimeters she will represent on the road map? This is the question. Here you have to use direct proportion because here 1 centimeter means 18 kilometers. Here 18 kilometers, here 72 kilometers. Here distance is more. So here also this value, scale value also increase. So we have to use here direct proportion. Like this you have to do.